Well, let's bring up Noah Feldman, always brilliant, from Harvard Law, writing for Bloomberg View. He's really, we can't say enough about reading Professor Feldman. All four tweets will be quoted by opponents of the travel ban, B-A-N. All four substantially strengthen the case for blocking, B, the order as unconstitutional. When you insult your own lawyers, the rest of the legal system tends to notice. Professor Feldman goes on to say the president is going to lose in the Supreme Court. He has seriously misjudged the only audience that matters at the moment, which is Kevin Cirilli and the 9 members of the Supreme Court. Wow, that's tough language. What's going to happen on the travel ban?
Well, should the Supreme Court overrule it, it'd be a major devastating policy blow to the White House and show a lack of crafting policy. Their first effort to craft policy, it would be a massive failure.